All of the things that occurred that day happened in the blink of an eye.
An officer tried for murder, defense shooting a man. For the first time, one of the former Albuquerque police officers charged with murdering homeless camper James Boyd took the stand in his own defense today.
Prosecutors challenged Dominique Perez to explain why he felt that Boyd was a threat. News 13's Lizzie Mitri was in court.
Dean, Jessica, today we learned more about what the former officer did and in many cases did not know when he was sent to meet other officers on the hill with Boyd just minutes before the shooting.
All of the things that occurred that day happened in the blink of an eye.
Get on the ground!
Former SWAT officer Dominique Perez came to his own defense today in front of a crowded courtroom in his trial for second-degree murder after the 2014 shooting of homeless camper James Boyd.
Do you swear affirm to tell the truth and nothing but the truth on the penalty of law?
I do.
Prosecutors say he killed Boyd as Boyd moved to surrender.
You understand I'm going to ask you some hard questions about the shooting of James Boyd?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you ready for those this afternoon, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Perez testified that he never saw Boyd take a step toward officers with his two pocket knives in hand, similar to his comments in what prosecutors called a friendly interview with police.
What you told Detective Stone is that you shot because you felt he was going to lunge forward.
Yes, ma'am. I had the feeling he was going to lunge forward.
And now from watching the video, you know that your feeling was wrong.
Even with Perez on the stand, the focus turned to co-defendant Keith Sandy, who fired first and is accused of escalating the situation.
I can't tell you how sorry I am that you are the one who was sent up into a mess that some other officer created.
A supervisor sent Perez to meet Sandy and two others who'd requested more help with Boyd. Perez says he had a concern as he approached about the plan.
My concerns was that I didn't know it.
Within 3 minutes of joining the team without even knowing if anyone else had lethal protection, Perez pulled the trigger, saying a canine officer faced an immediate threat after getting too close to Boyd.
The motion that he was in at that point, it appeared that he was going to come down and strike those officers.
The special prosecutor will finish questioning Perez tomorrow morning. Sandy is also expected to testify later this week as the trial wraps up. Back to you.
Okay, Lizzie, thank you. A second-degree murder conviction could mean up to 15 years behind bars. We are, of course, live streaming from the courtroom every single day. You can watch the trial as it unfolds on KRQE.com and our KRQE News app.